Mood is an intangible feeling that can be experienced in all facets of life. It can range from feelings of joy and excitement to sadness and despair. Depending on a person's circumstances, their mood can fluctuate daily or even hour to hour. To help clients better understand their emotions, therapists often recommend using a mood chart. This tool provides an easy way to track a person's daily moods over time, making it simpler to identify patterns or triggers. Mood charts can be filled out daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on the individual's preference. They typically include sections for writing the date, time, the individual's mood, intensity level, and triggers. To use our free mood chart, follow these steps. Download our mood chart from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Give your client a copy. You can give your client a physical copy or share the PDF version with them. Explain how the chart works and ensure to answer any questions they may have before proceeding to the next step. Client fills out the chart. Ask your client to use the mood chart template to track their moods over a specific period. Encourage them to be detailed and honest, as this will provide you with valuable insights into their emotional well-being. Once your client has completed the chart, take some time to review it together. This will help you understand the triggers and patterns of your client's mood. You can then work with them to create a plan incorporating strategies to help them manage their emotions more effectively. Here is a sample of our mood chart, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our mood chart, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.